Today we are going to discuss the three types of the waters that they claim that is alkaline, but we will reveal whether it is going to perform against the Kangen water or not. This is the Kangen, this is the alkaline water which available in the market. This added minerals in that, and second we will compare with the Evian, which popularly drinks Virat Kohli, and third with the Kangen. The three properties we will discuss, that is microclustering, antioxidant and alkalinization. So first property, it is microclustering. We'll test these three waters. The first one is the Kangen water, which I am adding in this, and second Evian water. It is bottle sealed, just opening it. This is Evian. And thirdly, alkaline water. It costed me somewhere around 100 rupees per liter. This is 600 rupees per liter. So I'll just separate these two. This is a green tea. We will see whether these water are able to remove the or extract the tea from the tea bag. So this is first one, 1, 2, 3 dips. Second one, 1, 2, 3. This is Evian water. This is Kangen water, 1, 2, 3. So you can clearly see the difference, the color of all three. So the Kangen water contains the microclustering property, and second property we will see in this. That is of antioxidant property. So Kangen water. Evian water. And alkaline water. So to measure the ORP or antioxidant property, we have a ORP machine. With this we will check the ORP. So first with the alkaline water, it is now 53. We can see it's a positive maybe 6 or 7 presently. 6, 8. Okay, second, this is Evian water. It is somewhere around 39 or 40. And this is Kangen water. It slowly goes into the minus. You can see clearly maybe 50, 60, 100 or 100 plus in minus sign. Right? So this is the antioxidant property which this water have. This Kangen water, not other. So we will check with the chemical also. For negative ORP it will change the color. For positive ORP it won't change the color. So 1, 2, 3 drops, 1, 2, 3 drops, 1, 2, 3 drops. So you can see the pink color. This will indicate the negative ORP in the water. This is the second property. Third we will discuss. The third property, that is alkalinization or alkaline property. Firstly I am pouring this Kangen water. And second Evian. Third alkaline. So this is a pH testing liquid. With this I am going to check the color of these three liquids. First one is alkaline. This is Evian water, and this is Kangen water. So you can see closely, it is somewhere around 7 or 7 change. It is near 7, 7.5 or 7 near. it is 9.5. You can see the chart and compare these waters. So now we can say proudly say that in these three, this alkaline water has alkalinization, microclustering property and antioxidant property. It doesn't have any antioxidant property or microclustering, and same with the alkaline. And alkaline, there is alkaline little because of the chemicals it has. So I am reading it out. It has magnesium, calcium, sodium and potassium in this. You can see, but maybe not visible. I'll add in the description. Thank you. Thanks a lot.